Good morning. So another beautiful day in Bradford on another building site with side extension and a back extension to a property, and our job today is to lay some underfloor heating pipe. So the floor's being prepared by Dean, the builder on site. He's sorted all the floors out for us. He's just finishing up this screen, taping it all together, but that's the extension part. So two semi-detached properties have been merged into one, as you can see, and it's turned this property into a huge, beautiful looking house. All of this extension is kitchen dining area. So let's go in and have a quick look at the floor. Okay, here we have the floor ready. All we need to do now is put this grid membrane on top of it and lay some pipe, and then the edging foam, perimeter edging foam, will go towards the ends. And then coming Tuesday, Kevin's coming from Floor Screed to put some liquid screed on it. So the plan here is all of that is kitchen area, and this will be dining, an island in the middle. Pipe work will be going through here. Dean and these guys have made beautiful access for us to the wall. The boiler is just there in this area here. So it's a combi boiler currently, but as this property has been converted into one large size property, we are splitting the system. The pipe work will come through there. We put in a low loss header. We'll be putting multiple pumps on it, and this area will have underfloor heating. So that's what we're going to do next. Okay, so floor's all ready now. We've got the grid sheet down. Pipe work is ready. That's a 200 meter coil that we chose because we're going to be doing this side first. So we have two coils going in here, around 86-87 meters on this side, and then additional 87 meters on that side, followed by two more coils on that side, but those are about 65-67 meters each. So we have two 80 meter rolls delivered for that. So out of this 200 meters, we're going to get our 85 or 86 meters each on this side. I've marked this area for the island, so we don't need to put anything underneath it. All the rest of the units are going to go, as you can see, on that wooden floor area, so we can literally just start from the corners. So we're going to be leaving 150 mil, and we're spacing it all on 150 centers anyway. So that's what we're going to do next. So the pipe work's going to start from the manifold area, which is in there, although on the plan manifold is showing to be here, but I'm sure there's plenty of pipe to take us there and then back to manifold as well. So basically it's going to start from that side, it's going to come through in this area, it's going to run through here, and then avoiding the island in the middle, we're going to be running around it, go back in, complete that area, come back out, and once we've got about 85-86 meters, that then goes back to the manifold, and then the second loop starts. Let's make a start. Okay, so one of the loops in now. So that's in 150 centers. Okay, so now we're going to make a start with the second loop, and then third and fourth. So this floor is now ready for screed on Tuesday. As you can see, we have two loops on this side, two loops on the far side, and we've left enough space for the island in the middle. using these connectors. So these are your 16mm underfloor heating pipe to 15mm compression, as you can see. So it's the same cone that you receive with underfloor heating pipe that goes into your manifold. It becomes difficult to pull out with one hand, but let's see if I can. Come out. No, I'm going to have to put my phone down one sec. There we go. Okay guys, so yep, that's what we have. So that's what I've used on all ends of these loops and converted it to copper basically. And then you can play about with it, you can do whatever you want to do with that really. Okay, so just testing my underfloor heating loops. As you can see, all of the pipes down now. That's been installed. So I'm just testing the loops. Normally I would install the manifold on the wall and then connect the pipework to it and test it that way. But today I didn't want to assemble the manifold, so I thought let's just do it in this fashion. So this is a workaround. What I've done is I've separately filled all the loops first with water and then capped one end of each loop, as you can see. So I've got 4 loops in total. They're all taped, as you can see there. So one end of each loop is capped off, as you can see, and the other end of this loop, or all of these loops, is connected to this self-made manifold, as you can see here. So the water comes in from here. I've got a gauge connected to it just there. Initially I had the washing machine pipe, which is just there at the bottom, that was connected here. So I filled the system up, took all the air out. That gave us about 2 bar pressure, and then I pumped it with this hand pump to just under 6 bar, and it's been under pressure, under test I should say, for just under an hour now. So I'm going to observe it for an hour, and as far as it's all good and it's not leaks, I've not spotted anything. It's been about 48 minutes so far, but there's nothing there. There's no leaks. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care, bye for now.